Hello children, today we will learn a new letter, letter E. This is uppercase E, this is lowercase e. Uppercase E, lowercase e. Now you learn how does E look like, but do you know how does it make sound? E. E says E. Egg. Elephant. Egg, elephant. Egg and elephant begins with the sound E and begins with the letter E. Let us see few more words that begins with the letter E. Eyes. Elephant, eager, 8, engine, eraser, egg, ear, envelope. These are the words that begins with the letter E. E is also for elbow, E for emu, E for earrings. Children, we have learned the words begins with the letter E. Now let's learn how to write letter E. This is uppercase E. One standing line and 3 sleeping lines makes the letter E, uppercase E. One sleeping line and 1 left curve makes the letter E, lowercase e. Now let's learn how to write in 4-line book. Can you see this letter? Let's begin from the red line. One standing line, 1 sleeping line, another sleeping line, and another sleeping line. This is uppercase E. Now let's write lowercase e. Sleeping line, 1 left curve. This is lowercase e. The uppercase E we have to write within 3 lines. Do not touch the 4th line. The lowercase e we need to write within the blue lines only 2 lines. We don't have to touch the red lines, the first line and the 4th line. Children, now we have learned the words begins with the letter E and how to write letter E. Now let's do one activity. We have to identify the pictures here and write the beginning letter. So which picture is this? This is an egg. So what is the beginning letter? Egg. E. So what we have to write here? E. Letter E. Let's write letter E. We will write capital E. Egg, E-G-G, egg. This is emu. So what is the beginning letter? E. Let's write lowercase e here. Sleeping line and 1 closed curve. E, emu. The next picture is I. So the beginning letter is E, uppercase E. Let's write uppercase E here. Eyes. This is elephant. E. Lowercase e here. Elephant. The next picture is eagle. E. standing line, 3 sleeping lines. Uppercase E, engine, E, lowercase e. I hope you have learned letter E. See you in the next video. Bye.